So, what's going on today? Have you had this message on your phone today? This one here. So, I noticed this morning. I didn't really think anything of it. I thought maybe this is just a glitch, and it'll probably go away. But over the course of the day, every time I open my phone, it's coming up with this message. You can't. You need to update. Check for an update. Update now. Whatever the message says, I can't remember what it says just now. This message, a new iOS update is now available, and it seems like every time you lock the iPad and open it again, you're getting this message. Even on the iPad, which is on iOS 11, some variant of iOS 11 just now, getting the message there as well. So it's like some sort of glitch that's happened. Looking at this Twitter post that someone posted earlier, it's got the Springboard code for iOS whatever version, but basically it's showing that the code is checking to see if there's an update available and then prompting you to update regardless. So it's the problem with this sort of glitch is that you can't sort it without having a patch from Apple, and it's a similar sort of glitch to the one with the error 43 and the issue with the aftermarket screens on iPhone 8s. Basically what was happening with those is there's code in iOS which stops these aftermarket products from working, and then depending on how far along your phone is, how much it's affected by this with the aftermarket product, it could render your phone or your iPad useless until you can put the patch on it. And if you can't get into the device, for example, to actually apply the patch, then you need to restore it from iTunes, which a lot of people won't have the facility to do. People don't have computers anymore, or take it into the Apple Store, and they'll often, because it's beta software, they're not really interested in doing anything with it. Obviously that's a bit different with the iPhone 8 and the error 43 thing, because that was on production software. This is beta software, so there will be a patch for it, and it's not affecting it to the extent where you can't use the device at the moment. So yeah, the one way that I tried to sort it was to take the profiles off of my computer so that it wasn't looking for the update through the profile anymore, the developer profile. So I removed it, and then I went to developers.apple.com and I reinstalled the profile to check if that would sort it, but didn't make any difference. So now every time I open my phone, I'm getting this message. So another way, try and sort it, or try and investigate a wee bit. I went in and manually changed the date. So if you go into here, general date and time, settings, general date and time, and set the date back to say the 29th August, and then switch the phone to lock mode and open it, you won't see the message anymore. But that's not really a feasible solution, because loads of things won't work if the date's wrong on your phone. The App Store won't work properly, websites won't load properly. They all rely on certificates which check the date and time on your phone to make sure it's the same. Basically, it's to stop attacks and stuff like that. And then also I tried putting it forward to tomorrow, and you're still seeing the problem on tomorrow so far. So it seems to me like the only way they're going to solve this problem is by releasing a patch, and that's going to have to be downloaded. So until we get that patch, we're probably going to be seeing this issue. So I think they'll get out pretty quickly. But I was going to say they need to get someone on QA, someone who's responsible for QA to have a word with them, but because it's beta software, I don't think there's any QA involved. Minimal QA. I'll just show you the message on the iPad here. So there's the iPad, and if we open it up, and this is on iOS 11, this one, and there you go. Still getting the same issue there. I don't know if you can see that. You have to excuse the in-car nature of this video. I'm trying to get it done before picking up kids from school. An interesting bug, which seems to be annoying quite a few people today. Anyway, that's all I had to say today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you've got any comments, how's it affecting you, put it in the comments below. And come back soon. I've got an update on the MacBook video, this one here. Give a click on that and have a look what happened there. So I've got an update on what's happening with that water damaged MacBook, which I will share with you as soon as it's finished. Okay, thanks again for watching. Catch you later.